PMP versus Prince2, which project management certification is better? Every project management certification has its value across various industries all around the globe. Professional certification courses propel employees as they help their expert development while adding credibility to their resume. This consequently gives the motivation to invest in certifications like PMP and Prince2. So which one is better? PMP versus Prince2? Let's find out the difference between PMP and Prince2. Project management certifications are a step toward enhancing your professional skills and knowledge and opening doors for new job opportunities. What is PMP and what is Prince2? Here are the differences between PMP and Prince2 certifications. PMP certification. Project Management Professional (PMP) from PMI is an industry-acknowledged certificate for project managers. PMP proves that a particular employee is experienced in education, skill, and proficiency in essential leadership skills to direct any projects. PMI certification is again the most required certification directed by the Project Management Institute, PMI, USA-based. Prince2 certification. Prince2 is the acronym for Project in Controlled Environment. This is a process-based project management method. Prince2 Foundation and practitioner primarily focus on business validation, outlining the structure of an association for the project management team, and using a project-based approach. Prince2 and PMP demand worldwide. While finalizing any certification, overall research about the difference between PMP and Prince2 is a must along with the worldwide demand for that certification. PMP versus Prince2, which certification should you choose? At one point, every professional from the corporate world has to go for some certifications that will enhance their resume value in the market. This can be a personal choice, market demand, or employer demand, but certification plays a vital role in your professional experience. Prince2 certified salary versus PMP certified salary overview. Salary projections of PMP and Prince2 certified professionals is the major thing that many industry professionals look for along with their successful careers is their wealthy bank balance. Prince2 versus PMP exam cost. The other factor that comes with the difference between PMP and Prince2 is the PMP cost and Prince2 certification cost or Prince2 practitioner exam cost. Can someone do both PMP and Prince2 certifications? There are many such professionals with a keen interest in both the certification PMP and Prince2. In such a case, they would like to do both certifications, but then they have doubts about whether they should do it or not, or whether will it affect their management skills adversely. PMP or Prince2, why do you need project management certification? Project managers with an industry-perceived certification have the edge over non-certified PM experts. Getting certified gives industry acknowledgement, and picking the correct project management certification will assist you to gain recognition globally in any industry and sector. What are the top project management courses? The most well-known project management certification you may as of now be thinking about is PMP, Project Management Professional, and Prince2, Projects in Controlled Environments. To realize which one's going to suit your requirements, let us see each in more detail. PMP or Prince2, which is right for your career? To make this decision, let's know about the difference between PMP and Prince2 certifications individually. What is Prince2? Prince2, Projects in Controlled Environments, is an organized project management accreditation and expert certification program. Prince2 concentrates on dividing projects into reasonable and controllable stages. Prince2 project management is a process-based methodology for every project irrespective of size and nature. Getting Prince2 certified opens doors for greater job opportunities.